Giraffe notifications can stop working when app permissions are disabled, notifications are turned off, or the app is not allowed to run properly in the background. By the end, you'll know how to check Giraffe notification settings, fix missing alerts, and make sure the app can send updates correctly. The first thing to check is your phone's notification permission for Giraffe. Open your device settings, find the app permissions or notification settings, and confirm that notifications are enabled. On Android, go to Settings, open Apps, select Giraffe, and check the Notifications section. Turn notifications on if they are disabled. On iPhone, open Settings, select Notifications, choose Giraffe, and make sure Allow Notifications is enabled. If notifications are already enabled but you still receive nothing, check whether your phone has battery restrictions affecting the app. Some devices limit background activity to save battery, which can stop apps from sending updates. Open your battery settings and make sure Giraffe is not restricted from running in the background. Next, update Giraffe from the official App Store. App updates can fix notification problems caused by outdated versions or compatibility issues. After updating, close the app completely and reopen it. Restarting the phone can also refresh notification services and fix temporary problems. You should also check that you are logged into the correct Giraffe account. If you are using a different account, you may not see the same alerts, rewards, or activity updates. If notifications are delayed, check your internet connection. Giraffe needs a working connection to receive new information from its servers. Avoid installing modified versions of Giraffe, because unofficial apps can cause account problems and prevent normal features from working. The fix usually comes down to 3 checks: enable notifications, remove battery restrictions, and keep the app updated. These steps solve many common notification issues without changing anything inside your account. Your next step is to open your phone settings and check Giraffe notification permissions first. If this guide fixed your problem, like the video and subscribe for more app troubleshooting guides.